Why can't you just have everything you want? I mean, you walk into a store, you're scrolling online, and you see a dozen things you'd love to own right now. But you can't have them all. Why is that?
Well, here's the core problem, right here on the screen. On one side, you've got your wants, and they're basically unlimited, right? A new phone, more video games, endless snacks. But on the other side, you have your resources, and those are very, very limited. We're talking about your pocket money or even your time. This massive mismatch is exactly where the entire story of economics begins.
And this fundamental conflict, it has a name. It's a single word that is the reason the whole field of economics even exists in the first place: scarcity. It's just this universal truth that our wants are always going to be bigger than our resources. And it doesn't just apply to money, it applies to time, to natural resources, to everything.
Okay, so if we can't have everything because of scarcity, what does that force us to do? It's simple. It forces us to choose.